front shock absorber strut mount kit costed $250.95. Best to stay off to the side of struts when undoing. The safest spring compressors are the ones with hook ends. The ones I'm using are not the safest to use. You have to use a rattle gun to tight spring compressors with the ones we're using because it will go to slip off the spring with socket wrench. The ones with hook ends you could use a socket wrench. The ones Kieran is using they should not sell and are dangerous. 4 main bolts. For strut mount you will need to use the rattle gun. When inspecting old struts, you will see it go down easy and will make an air noise. It will take its time to spring back. It should be very hard to push down. See how easy it is to push down, and it takes a long time for shock absorber to pop back up. We had to put back old strut mounts back in because they sent the wrong strut mounts in the kit. We ended getting a refund of $70, so we ordered extreme duty mounts. I had to go back to install mounts, but there are a lot better than the mounts that would have come in the kit. The aftermarket bolts are not the best. Use the stock ones, are a lot better than the aftermarket lock nut bolts for struts because they will only tighten right once. So if you need to go back and undo them, plus they can break easy when tightening. You have to align spring with the W mark that is on top of spring plate with a sway bar bracket. You can tighten it a little, then adjust it to fit the spring in the right place, then finish tighten. Now we are painting. Wheels cherry black. To paint cherry black, you have to paint wheels black, then paint them with cherry black paint. New struts and wheels painted. Now, the thermostat. Thermostat costed $58.95. We took off windshield wipers and plastic covers, and metal plate off that holds plastics covers. Total cost was just over $350 in parts, paint, and coolant.